So on the topic of parts, I did a video on Monday real quick about the quality of the parts today. It just keeps dropping and dropping every year, guys. I could buy a mirror from last year and compare it to the mirror that I buy from this year, and you can tell the quality has dropped. Now, this is just a lot of shenanigans that is going on today. You got stuff that's coming out of China, getting routed to say Europe, and then they're repackaging it and taking the China label off of it. So I've gotten packages in that show that it's coming from Europe, but then inside it says China. So there's a way that they're finding loopholes to get things here because the American regulations are trying to stop some China stuff from coming in. Ever watched this series on Netflix called Rotten? I know they do it for food, but it also plays in part for parts. So I still get my stuff from wolfsburgwest.com. I do buy some stuff from CIP1.com. And there is a guy in Connecticut that I deal with called Bug City, and he's got stuff that he's been hoarding for 30 plus years. So the aftermarket parts that he's been hoarding are good.